If you're seeing the Epic Games error that says please try again later, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. This is a very common launcher issue, and it can happen because of corrupted cache files, launcher problems, server outages, or even a simple network issue. The good news is that you can usually fix it without too much trouble. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, we're going to clear the Epic Games launcher cache. This is one of the most effective fixes because the launcher stores temporary web data that can become corrupted and cause sign-in or loading errors. To do this, close the Epic Games launcher completely. Make sure it is not running in the background. You can check the system tray in the bottom right corner of your screen and exit it fully if needed. Then press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run box. In the Run window, type %local app data % and press Enter. This will open the local app data folder on your computer. Inside this folder, look for the Epic Games Launcher folder. Open it, and if you see a folder called Saved or a Webcache related folder inside, delete the Epic Games Launcher cache files from there. If you're unsure, the main goal is to remove the temporary launcher cache so Epic can rebuild fresh files the next time it opens. After deleting the cache, restart your computer and try launching Epic Games again. A lot of the time, this alone is enough to clear the error. If the issue is still there, the next step is to repair the Epic Games Launcher. To do that, open the control panel on your PC and go to Programs and Features. Find Epic Games Launcher in the list of installed apps, then right-click it and choose Repair. Let the repair process finish completely, even if it takes a few minutes. This will scan the launcher and fix missing or damaged files that may be causing the message to appear. Once the repair is done, open the launcher again and test it. Now, another very important thing to check is the Epic Games server status. Sometimes the problem is not on your computer at all. If Epic servers are experiencing downtime, maintenance, or login issues, you may see the please try again later message even if everything on your device is fine. Open your browser and visit status.epicgames.com to see whether the services are currently running normally. If there is an outage, the best fix is simply to wait until Epic restores service. If the servers are working, move on to your network connection. A weak or unstable internet connection can trigger launcher errors too. Try restarting your router or modem by unplugging it from power, waiting about 30 seconds and plugging it back in. Once your internet reconnects, test Epic Games again. If possible, also try switching to a different network or using an Ethernet cable for a more stable connection. This can make a big difference if the launcher is having trouble communicating with Epic's servers. Another simple fix is to run the Epic Games Launcher as an administrator. Right-click the Epic Games Launcher shortcut on your desktop or in your Start menu, then choose Run as Administrator. This gives the launcher the permissions it needs to complete updates, sign in properly, and access required files without being blocked by Windows. If the launcher works in administrator mode, you may want to keep using it that way for now. If none of those steps work, the last option is to reinstall the launcher completely. Go back to Control Panel and uninstall Epic Games Launcher. After that, visit epicgames.com and download the newest version of the launcher directly from the official site. Install it fresh, sign in again, and check whether the error is gone. A clean reinstall can fix deeper file issues that repair tools sometimes miss. So to recap, start by clearing the launcher cache, then repair the app, check the Epic server status, restart your router, run the launcher as administrator, and finally reinstall it if needed. One of those steps should fix the please try again later error for most users. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want help with a specific Epic Games issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.